The village of Lollove is a charming medieval hamlet that lies in the mountains, surrounded by a forest of ancient oaks. The church, built in the early 1500s, is late Gothic in style and is in excellent condition. Every February 3rd, there is a festival in honor of the village's patron saint, which allows visitors to immerse themselves in the traditions of the past. Legend has it that nuns devoted to the village's patron saint were removed from Lollove after being accused of having romantic relations with local shepherds. This event seems to have brought a curse on the village, which remains small and almost uninhabited. However, this makes it an evocative and timeless place, where visitors can stroll through the cobbled lanes and grey stone houses, admiring the view of the valley below. In this surreal setting, time seems to have stood still since, as legend has it, the nuns devoted to the village's patron saint were expelled from Lollove after being accused of having sentimental relations with local shepherds. The sisters' misfortune, which followed their expulsion, appears today as a sad omen, considering the demographic evolution of this small town, which has only a few dozen inhabitants. In fact, Lollove has not grown up, but never died, and it shows itself to the astonished tourists, who often happen to immerse themselves in this mysterious village, with its characteristic medieval garb and relaxing atmosphere that give the impression of a place out of time. Lollove also inspired Nobel laureate Grozier de Leda for one of her most famous novels, L'Armada, centered on the forbidden affair between a young priest and the beautiful Agnes, who consummated their love in the dark from the rest of the community. The village is included in the Club of the Most Beautiful Villages in Italy and still retains the medieval structure and ancient forms of ancient Sardinian rural villages. Despite its beauty and history, Lollove is today almost uninhabited, with only a few nuclei of elderly people residing there. However, this architectural peculiarity has enabled it to preserve its original structure and attract the attention of enthusiasts of that period. The Church of Magdalene is an example of this architectural style, with its red trachyte pointed arches and late Gothic structure. There are also the ruins of the Itria del Ortobene Church, as well as the ruins of other churches nearby such as San Bartolomeo and San Teodoro. Lollove is a place out of time and space, where the beauty of the past combines with the solitude of nature, creating an atmosphere of mystery and eeriness that attracts visitors from all over the world. Lollove, once one of the largest villages in the valleys of the Cedrino and Salogo rivers, now has only a few inhabitants, and is in danger of disappearing completely. In 1860, the smallpox epidemic hit the village hard, causing many casualties and prompting an outcry from the citizens, who demanded that the authorities pay more attention to the community. Despite its current situation, Lollove continues to inspire artists and writers, who find this lonely and mysterious place a source of inspiration. The charm of the hamlet is also due to its particular legend, which makes it a place full of eeriness and fascination. If you visit the village, you will have the feeling of taking a trip back in time, finding yourself in a bygone era when life was marked by the slow rhythms of nature and work in the fields. One will be able to walk among the stone houses and imagine what the village was like when it was animated by a life that escaped elsewhere. All in all, Lollove is a small treasure hidden in the mountains of Sardinia that deserves to be discovered and appreciated for its beauty and history. If you are a fan of medieval villages, you cannot miss a visit to this place out of time, where nature and history come together to create a unique and evocative atmosphere.
Ignis Cooking thanks you for watching the video and invites you to register and click on the bell so you don't miss our next videos. Saludos and tricou.